with my brother, and if any of you are the owners of Rabbit Hole, or Rabbit Face, whatever it's called, what did I do? What did I do to get banned from the server? What did I do?
Okay, so stop it.
Ow.
Okay, last time
Don't hit your little sister.
we got the lime wool in trivia. Next we're gonna do parkour and then escape.
Parkour. I am horrible at parkour. Or is
Hold
that
on,
you?
wait, stop.
Or is that Stampy?
Parkour is pink. Right?
Oh yeah, pink parkour.
Introduction. I can see level 6 from here. The parkour branch, no cheat. No, there are 50 levels reached. Begin!
Wow.
Oh, whip it. Now this one's easy. Boom, boom.
Alright.
Ah!
Yay. Oh god. No! Stampy!
Ah!
Oh wait, we're sending this out to YouTube. Hi Stampy.
I'm just blasting through.
Are we allowed to TP?
No.
Oh, really?
I just...
Are you serious?
Yeah, don't
Oh, no.
TP.
I'll be stuck at level 4.
1, 2, 3. And... Oh! 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
If I die one more time, I'm going to force you.
1, 2. Oh wait, Zelda, I forgot to give you a warning. When I do this, that means I'm gonna start to punch you off the ledge.
No, it does not.
Zelda, so you need to, but that won't stop till but that.
You will not do that. Or else
Okay, I'm gonna get checkpoint.
Finn, I already have enough problems by being stuck at level 4.
Oh no.
Actually.
I'm at level 6.
That's the thing.
Ah, no! Boom, 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 boom. Ah.
No.
Bam, bam, bam. Bam,
Oh,
bam.
hey.
And,
Where's level?
no! Here.
Oh, dang it. No! I fell off backwards.
Wow! Did it.
Dang it.
Come on, it's easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Level 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So easy for your little sister. Okay, this is hard now. Now this is getting hard.
Bam, bam.
This is so hard. So
Oh my god, lag.
hard. Okay.
Oh! I just fell off right at the end.
Point Zelda. Or point me. Oh. Point Zelda.
Hold down spacebar and
Oh, no. I didn't jump. That's what they say. What did you do? Stop!
Aw, you're
Guys.
adorable.
Lord Finn,
You're
stop.
adorable.
You're messing with the time and letters.
Flash game.
Finn, you just made me almost go over the ledge. Stop.
Okay.
Cut it out. Leave it at
Here's Zelda, why not just TP to me, okay? Go ahead, TP.
You said I can't TP.
You're taking too long, though. Uh-oh. I think... Because this...
Did you permanently make it like this?
No.
Did you break the server?
Get right. Now, Zelda. Uh-oh. Zelda, hurry up.
Ow, stop. Rabbit, Finn, stop.
Remember what I said?
Finnegan, no.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You. I hate
Can
you.
I
I hate you. Why? Level is this? Level 8?
Level 8. Ow.
Wait, let me try.
Bam, 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 bam. Oh! Ah! No! No! For me! Ah! No! 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 No!
Why are you so bad at this? Don't you know technique?
Technique!
Don't you know the
Technique! Technique!
Stop!
Technique! Ah.
That's why I shouldn't tell him stuff.
Technique! Technique!
Tell him
Technique!
one word, he
Technique!
repeats it.
Technique! 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 Technique!
Did you make it?
I made it. Made it to level 9. Yeah.
Ooh. I love it.
Oh,
Dang
rip
it.
it.
Level 9.
Oh no.
On a star.
No! Stupid letters! No!
Okay.
Like this part is simple, but the next part is actually pretty hard.
Oh. Return to hub. Return to hub.
No, no, look, return to hub. You'll
Okay.
reset everything. Oh God, no! Ugh, stupid ladders. I hate ladder parkour. Oh no! Quick! Oh God, no! From a scale from 1 to 10, Zelda, how annoying is ladder parkour?
Probably about, for me, it's a 5.
To me, 10.
Ah!
Ah! Oh my God! I landed on the pressure plates, but I'm not teleporting.
Really?
Yes. Hey, Zelda.
Stay where you are. You're not on the pressure plate. Stay where you are.
Boom.
Stay where you are.
At least everyone will know that happened.
Oh. But I didn't.
Oh God! I didn't jump. No. Zelda, this is level 9 here. This is level 9, and already it's getting hard.
I know. For you?
Level 1 was so simple. All you had to do was just walk across easily. And then level 2 was just jumping once or twice. And then level 3 was just jumping multiple times. Which probably I must have failed on level 3. Oh God! No! No!
Failed on level 3?
No, we're on level 9.
I know, but you
Oh my
failed
God.
on level 3?
Careful, Zelda. Right below us is the void. Actually, right below us is command blocks and really, Zelda,
Your fault.
you fell off. Did you?
At level 9.
Ah. God.
Oh, I got across level 9.
Checkpoint.
No, right now we're at level 10.
Okay, level 10. But then after this, the
How did
final
I just
bit of
get across
parkour
level 9?
will be really hard. Oh God. Don't, luck, don't fail me now. Woohoo!
Stay where you are.
No, don't TP. Okay.
Water parkour? I love it. I love
Okay,
water parkour.
now I need to go all the way at the top.
Let's promise that we won't try to get each other
Right.
down.
Oh.
No.
No. Don't fail me! Please don't fail. Do not fail. Please do not hit me, Zelda.
Can't talk to the water god. He's my daddy. Man, don't make more water. There's already enough. Are these water streams your tears?
Nah, these water streams don't disappear. Besides what? Besides water! I hate this parkour already.
I love it already. Because I'm good at it already. It's the only parkour I'm good at. No, Finn. No.
I'm not gonna punch you off. I'm just so angry because it's stupid in water parkour.
Well, I love it.
If I fail one more time, I'm just gonna jump off the ledge.
Why are you
Literally.
TP to me?
Nah, I'm not gonna TP.
You're not gonna TP?
I'm just gonna walk. I'm just gonna swim there like a boss. Like a boss. Oh, remember that when we did this without a camera, Zelda, and we failed, and it took us hours to complete.
At the end.
Okay, slash. That's it. I'm TPing. There we go. You! I will get my revenge! You!
Okay, ice block. You don't need to push me off on ice block because I'm horrible at ice block. This, you won't need revenge. This is already revenge. This is already revenge.
Oh, you!
Wait, if I die, do you get sent back? No. Okay.
Oh, no! Jack, quiet.
Yes! Oh, no.
You! Well, I didn't. Glad I was so loud enough. Get off. Get in there. Get in there.
Alright, let's promise to stop hitting each other.
Okay. I'll promise to stop.
Click T if you actually promise.
Okay. T.
Click T and then press enter. Candela?
Oh, you spammed T.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come on.
We just won it.
Revenge. I know. Oh, God. Oh.
Wreck my baby, wreck my nut. Why can't I get across this ice? Go. Get away. Wait.
Get revenge.
Oh no, water.
Revenge.
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 Oh.
Revenge.
Oh. Is there a way to go back to water parkour?
Now, Zelda.
Would it be funny if I broke the block while you were there,
Oh.
and then we couldn't get across? I'm gonna see if I can actually jump.
No, don't break the blocks.
Oh.
No breaking blocks allowed.
You can't?
Yeah,
Oh, you can break them.
but don't completely break them.
I have the lamp power of the lamp. Sing it, lamp. 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 You do me so well, lamp. Lamp.
Yes!
Lamp.
Take that! Okay.
Too long
Soul
enough.
Sand.
Oh, yay, Soul Sand on ice.
Ah, no. I'm terrible at this.
Finn! You promised to not do it.
Yeah, but I was trying to get my revenge on you.
Yeah, great. But that's enough revenge.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, no! I was like one jump away to get to the end.
Get off.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, did that work?
Yes.
Oh, nice. You want to keep doing that? You die?
No, I don't want to die. I do not want to die.
Alright, but I want to. In Minecraft, guys, don't ever say that to your brother or sister or sibling or anybody you know.
This parkour is so making me raged. So raged.
It's
That.
so hard. Get off. Off my eye.
Get off my soul set. Oh, I did it again.
Keep walking. Keep walking forward.
No! I was gonna jump off the ledge.
Forward.
Here, boost!
So mean. You.
I need like a jump boost or a speed boost for the soul
Or
sand.
a lamp boost.
No! What the heck
You
is
know
a
what
lamp
boost
boost?
is? Here.
Oh, no, that's it. I'm slash gaming mode this.
No, don't cheat. Alright, fair point.
Wait, did you, what? Hey, put that back!
Get away.
Put that lamp back!
No, it's good. It's good to me. It helps. Ah!
Oh, I see what you're doing. You're cheating but when we spawn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
no, Lampy! I'll collect Lampy. Lampy.
Put the lamp back! Put the lamp
okay,
back!
Hey, let
Okay, now I'm gonna get the other one. Get it. Zelda, I heard that. No, put it back. Stop it.
I can't get across. How can you cheat? How do you cheat to get across? You go across.
Here.
I'll
You know how. Here.
It's
Let me just get a lamp so then you don't break it. Okay. There.
There.
I'm gonna throw this off the ledge.
I'm kind of not gonna cheat. What did you just do?
Here, now you can TP.
Slash TP space tip 28. Oh. I like tip 1, I think?
Okay.
Tip 2.
Oh no, fence parkour.
Oh yeah, my fence is you. Really, I regret you. You are so bad to me. Oh, me, TP.
Don't you dare break that. Oh my god, that was like the ultimate boost.
Really? Ready? Go.
Stop it.
Go.
Oh!
Go, keep going. Keep going.
Don't
crouch.
That's not doing anything useful.
Alright, try it to me. Keep hitting.
Okay.
Go to me. Keep going.
Okay. If I fail at least one more time. Come on, I need to make this jump. Can I make another, please? Oh! Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. I'm just gonna slash game mode this again. Where's my... it in caps locks. Okay, so come on. Here, just for fun, I'm just gonna like
When you're at the end.
slash game mode 0. No, I was gonna do.
Blasting you.
Okay, there. Now you can TP. Go ahead, TP.
TP. One. Enter.
Here, come on, checkpoint.
I hate. Oh, there's usually stuff in the chest.
No, there's not stuff in any
remember
of
last
these
time
chests.
I found something in the chest?
You found something in the chest?
Yeah, last time.
I
Last time
do
we
not
did that
remember
version.
that. I don't, even though I do not remember
I like
anything
checking.
in my memories. I don't even remember my middle name. I'm just kidding. I don't remember
Don't
my,
say it.
I don't
People
remember.
on the internet are mean. After that verse.
Oh!
Okay.
Ooh!
And again, guys, at the beginning of the episode, I said if you helped or if you're the main guy, if you made a rabbit hole or anything with rabbit face or rabbit hole, why did you ban me? What did I do to get banned from rabbit face?
I don't know, Zelda. Probably because you disobeyed the rules.
I didn't disobey anything.
You fell off the ledge and I still survived.
Oh, thanks. Okay.
Don't you dare TP me. No. Get off. Get off.
Finn!
No cheating.
Yes, because it's not cheating.
Oh,
Help me.
no.
It's technically
I'm
helping.
just gonna
See, you're cheating.
quit on this jump slash game mode. Oh, again.
I'm glad I didn't click enter. I accidentally clicked shift. I'm glad I didn't click enter then. Now are you there for sure?
Not yet.
Oh, really? Why didn't I pay attention?
Did you teleport right when I just jumped?
Yes.
I think you teleported right when I was leaping over there. Ooh! I would have darned everything up.
Alright.
Oh! No!
No! No! No!
Don't worry.
How do you do that? Slash. How do you do that?
How do I do what?
How do you fly? What is that?
Do it just slash game mode. Oh, Zelda, this is the final one. Final one, final one, final one, final one, final one, final one. Okay, ready?
Oh, wait.
Get in there. I was gonna put you into the checkpoint.
This is the final one, I think. Yeah.
Remember how many times we died on this one?
Yep. But it's because of the hard reset.
I fell off. I
Oh,
fell off.
Don't get that
Yep.
Oh.
There you are. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
My last
I
words
saw
were
you died.
hi.
Hi.
That was my last words. Hi. That's funny. The last words were hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Mm,
Yay, rabbit face. Oh.
Rabbits.
You died.
Rabbits.
I wish I could. Oh, really? No.
Don't you dare hit me.
No, I was clicking
I am the
space bar.
closest one to the end, and no, I'm the last one.
Yeah. You're the only.
If I die one more time, should I just, like, cheat a little, just go only to...
Oh.
I'm not going to cheat. And we both died. Hey, hello.
No, you look down. Hi. Look down.
Ow.
Oh.
I'm the first one to die.
You are.
That was terrible. You're going to be the first one to die.
One at a time. One at a time. First you. Ben, are you actually even trying?
I'm trying.
No, you're not.
Oh God! If we had EXP and that was important, I'd
looking at my
lose
dead
all of
self
it.
right now. Look.
Mm.
Look, Finn. Oh no, I'm dead. I wake up dead. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! No!
You don't hit that. You don't hit that.
And again I died.
Okay. So close. One more jump. And I failed.
You screwed up.
I darned it. Okay. Okay. This is one step for mankind, or for YouTuber kind, or whatever. Dun, dun. I made it.
Wait. I want to get the wool because it's my favorite color. Pink.
Just teleport. Hurry. Like we don't have much time.
Hurry?
Yeah, ready? Click. You have it. Now. Oh. Empty hand. There we go. We did the parkour in only one episode, which is good.
Are we gonna do another escape?
Yeah. Next episode, we will do escape.
Cut it out, okay. Alright, bye.
Bye. I do not want to get bullied by a banned person. That's what you probably did. You probably just hit it, guys. Ow. Okay, good. Okay, guys. Goodbye, guys. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. Show us some love. Also, smash the like button. Just smash it with your hammer or whatever. Just hit that like button. Yeah, beat the heck out of that like button. And
oh dang it, it won't break.
Also, goodbye to all you people. Goodbye.